All right, guys, we got us a 2008 Dodge Dakota 4.7 liter V8. What we got done on it? Something that everybody likes, true duals. There's the factory converters up there, one there and one there, aftermarket. Then we crossed them over to true duals right there. And you have to get a new O2 bung on it when you do true duals because you cut that old one out. It's true dual 2-inch all the way back. He wants it to clap. So we did 2-inch all the way back into, he's got duals that were done on it before a while back. 2 1/4 out the back on each side, there and there. And then into some 5-inch double wall tips. Because it just makes it look prettier, nicer, and fits the truck really nicely. Tucked and dumped, as you guys can see right there. So when you want them like that, you tell the muffler shop, tucked and dumped. There's the old tips. There's the old Flowmaster he had on it, Super 10. And that's the Wi-Fi setup right there. He had all that, we cut it off and replaced it with this. Looks a lot prettier, a lot nicer. And it's gonna sound phenomenal. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. Give a guess? Hell yeah. Again? You wanted it to clap. I gotta stand back, guys, so the mic can catch the sound. If I get close, again. My ears hurt. There we go. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Dakota. True dual straight ply.